And welcome back. It is Tuesday. Yeah, Tuesday. So my dad and Ray have been up and washed the car from Northampton yesterday. I think we got it in and washed it. It's got a few little war wounds from the weekend. Overall, pretty pleased with the results at Northampton. It was a good day. A bit disappointed that wanted the track for the final round, but Paul Press was the better man in that final, so can't take that away from him. He was better man on the day, and he got the final win. So we'll keep trying to get a bit of that one place further up the grid. I think so. This is the week before Bradford. You won't see this until after Bradford, I don't think. We've got 3 days to get this car ready, but there won't be too much to do because we didn't get a lot of damage or anything. Just got to tidy it up and change the gears and service it and do the normal service and etc. That's the gears all sorted, ready for the weekend. I'll get back up tomorrow night, probably chat that out a bit because it's tip the nerfer in a little bit there. Yeah, so that's tonight done. Got a lot else I can do at the minute because we're well, it's running a bit late. I'm very late, to be fair. Right, so I'm going to get out of here and we'll catch up with everyone tomorrow night. I'll start checking all these axle bolts out because obviously the axle moves around a bit on the spring during the meeting and you end up with the bolts coming loose a bit like that. So tonight's job basically is going to be, there's not a great deal to do, which means it'll make it a bit difficult to make a video. But I'm just going to go through the car basically and check all the nuts and bolts. These bolts back here are just for the spring. I like to make sure they should be just loose because I don't want them binding up. Yeah, just coming down this end. I'm basically just grabbing a one size spanner and I'll go around every bolt, try and go around every bolt on the car that's that size. Parts on the front of it for a customer. Alternating bits for the full front cover system, the same setup as what we've got on this car. Well, that one's loose, isn't it? Alternator, powered steering hoses, powered steering pump. Basically, we do a full, and all the brackets to bolt it to the serpentine front cover. We do a full kit basically for that. The front nut that comes loose, if anything, down here. Where are we there? Oh, there you go. See it in the camera. There we go. That nut there. That's nice and tight. There's another 3 on the other side. Then we'll check these bolts week in, week out, basically, because the engine's vibrating. It's solidly mounted in the chassis on this. So we just check around all these bolts and make sure nothing's going to come out loose, fall out or anything daft. But that does look exceptionally clean this week, to be fair. A bit of light shell in the back of it. Pop that off and give it a rinse. Right, so that's the carbs done. I'm just going to have a cup of tea. So next, I'm just going to check over all the engine bolts and everything, bell housing bolts, and make sure everything is still tight. Everything looks tight, but I'm just going to nip them and make sure that nothing's starting to come loose. I'll just take this moment to, I'm just going to mention a couple of my fellow V8 drivers. Go and find Meerkat Racing on YouTube. He's guy's now done a video for the last meeting at Northampton. And other than that, there's also Frankie Burgess, who's coming into V8 soon. Is he racing junior rods, stock rods? Not quite sure. And he's got a channel somewhere. I think it's Team Horsepower. Don't quote me on that. I will put some writing across the bottom. I go and give them a look and see what they're all about as well, because I find it fascinating watching different people's preparations and ways of going racing. So I'm sure everyone else does at times. So yeah, check these bolts. Fair. Everything else is pretty much solid. So. Yeah, a little bit loose. So. The front engine mountings are mounted on the head, and then there's 6 tie bars, which basically the rear engine mount is mounted around the engine bell housing holes around so the sandwich up to there. This is sandwiched between the two, and then we use these tie rods to pull the front of the engine back, so that when you jolting stuff, it doesn't try and leave. Basically, jump in here and check the other bolts, which are here. And what's left then is the ringer bolts around the bell housing, which you can't really get the camera in to see. So just imagine I've done them. I mean, these ones come nice and free. On the other side is still seized up, so we're going to have to. So I ordered some new rose joints before Northampton, but they didn't turn up. But this bar doesn't move at all, which is not good. Whether it shouldn't be because it's loaded up, because the other one's free. Might have to just loosen it off and see if it. Well, in fact, we'll get a spanner on it. Let's just see if. And it does move a bit, but it is very stiff. So we'll change them rose joints for next week. So yeah, I'm gonna have to get them changed tomorrow or Friday, whenever we come up next. We'll probably try and jack this out, because that's a bit of a nasty one. Yeah, but that's it. That'll do for tonight. To be fair, I think we'll call it a night and get home. Nice, easy week for once, especially after last week. I don't think it ain't going to work, is it? She's a bit second hand at the other end. Yeah, I think that will do. I don't know who hit with that. I've took the boy out so you can.
You got something on the floor?
No, I haven't got anything. Not sure if I can stretch it out like that. Right, that's it. It's a chilly and miserable, to be fair. Friday night, the car's ready to go. We've opted not to scale it. I've just done a lot of measuring and made sure everything's where it was before we went, so that's all sorted. But so yeah, it looks like we're going to get, look at this weather, horrible. Looks like we're going to get a bit wet loading up, but I hope it clears up a bit before Sunday. I don't know if I actually turn the ice on the truck. No, there we go. That's on. That goes some air pressure up. Find the key, and we'll get the tail lift down and get the car in before I get too soaked. There we go. That's that job done. Let's get it spun round and get off out of there. So there we are, all loaded up, ready for Bradford. Yeah, not a lot else to add. Hopefully have a. I'm off tomorrow, me, and then we're going out in Sheffield for the day. So I'm going to take the truck up there tonight or tomorrow and go out for the day, and then we're going to get on to Bradford on Sunday, and then hopefully we'll be there to watch it Sheffield for the F1s and Minis on Monday as well. So yeah, it's going to be a weekend full of a busy weekend, but that's how we like them. So thanks for everyone for watching. Thanks to me dad and Ray for sorting the car out, and me for coming up and sorting the truck out at short notice. We'll be at Bradford on Sunday and see how we get on there. Give us a like if you've enjoyed it. If you want to see more of this, please subscribe to the channel. We're getting close to 500 subscribers, which will be a milestone in very close to the 500 number. It'd be nice to get there. Was something that I've not really expected with it, because I didn't think I didn't know how these videos were going to go down with anybody really. Please give the video a like. The last one, at the minute, Northampton video's out, as in Northampton prep video is out, and that's doing really well. And I'm just thanks for everyone for watching and liking and commenting. And I'll take your comments on board, and appreciate you taking the time to watch me and my dad fumble about in the workshop every week. So yeah, I'm looking forward to racing this weekend. I do enjoy a bit of shale and enjoy Bradford quite a lot. I just like the track overall, and how it's ran and everything else. It's just really good up there. So I hope to see a few of you there. I don't know what we're on with this weekend. I think like stocks, karts, and UK modifieds, and I don't know what else. But yeah, so it should be a decent day's racing. Looking forward to it, and I hope to see a few of you there. So I'm just going to give the workshop a quick tidy up before I go home, and then we'll be on our way. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.